Big Brother Naija housemate is facing massive backlash across social media after a late-night video sparked heated debate about appropriate behavior on national television. What Sultana did has divided fans and raised serious questions about the boundaries reality TV stars should respect while millions are watching. Big Brother Naija Season 10 housemate Sultana has become the center of intense online discussion after a controversial late-night video surfaced online. With fellow contestant Jae And Sultana, the incident occurred during the night when most viewers were asleep, but cameras captured footage that has since sparked heated debate among BBNaija fans. In the video, viewers could see Jae and Sultana under bed covers in what many interpreted as inappropriate behavior for a reality TV show, which was watched by millions of Nigerians across Africa. This isn't the first time Sultana has been involved in controversy during her time in Big Brother Naija house. She was previously caught in another compromising situation that has generated similar discussions online. Neither Sultana or Jae has publicly addressed this incident, but social media users have been actively discussing the video since it surfaced. The reaction has been mixed, with some viewers criticizing the housemate for crossing boundaries on national television, while others argue that the contestants are adults who can make their own choices. Many fans have pointed out that criticism seems to focus heavily on Sultana rather than Jae, raising questions about double standards in how male and female reality TV participants are treated when controversy arises. The incident has reignited discussions about privacy, appropriate behavior, the pressure faced by reality TV contestants who are being filmed 24 hours a day. Some viewers have called for stricter guidelines about what should be shown on air, while others believe the show should maintain its current format. Big Brother Naija organizers have not yet issued an official statement about the incident or whether any disciplinary action will be taken against the housemate involved. The controversy comes as the show continues its 10th season, with millions of viewers across Nigeria and other African countries following the daily activities of the contestants as they compete for the grand prize. What's your take on this Big Brother Naija controversy? Do you think reality TV shows should have stricter boundaries? Or should contestants have complete freedom to act as they choose? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to NaijaNews TV for more updates on all the latest Big Brother Naija drama and Nigerian entertainment news. We'll continue to follow this story closely to see if Big Brother Naija takes any action regarding this incident. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.